Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting recipe, and today we will see how to make keto friendly zucchini crust pizza that's gluten free, high in protein and low in carb. And friends, you can enjoy this delicious pizza guilt free as it has no flour and hence perfect to include in your weight loss diet plan. So let's see how to make this healthy zucchini crust pizza. So for my zucchini crust pizza, I'll be using two medium-sized zucchini. First we will cut both the ends, and now I'm going to grate them using a grater. So I've grated two zucchinis, and now into this I'm going to add some salt. So that the zucchini lets out all its moisture. We'll mix this well and we will let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after 10 minutes you can see the zucchini has let out its excess moisture, and now we need to squeeze out the excess water from the grated zucchini and transfer them to another bowl. Now the zucchini water can be used while making soups or curries, so don't discard it. Next, into the zucchini I will also add some grated carrots, which will add some more vitamins and will make it more colorful with contrast colors of the two veggies. And to add some flavors, I'm going to add two large garlic pods, which I will mince using this garlic crusher. And if you want, you can also add some chopped spring onions. This is done, and now we will season this with some salt as per taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. We'll mix all the seasonings well with the zucchini and the carrots. Now let's keep this bowl aside for a moment. In a separate bowl, we will break 2 eggs. We'll add a little salt as per taste and some milk. And now let's beat the eggs well with a fork. And our egg mixture is also ready. We'll now pour the prepared egg mixture into the bowl containing the grated zucchini and the carrots. We'll mix this well until the egg mixture is well combined with the zucchini and the carrots. So mixing is done. Next we will grease an oven safe dish with some olive oil. Now let's transfer the zucchini egg mixture into the oven safe dish. And now with the help of a spoon, we will evenly spread the mixture on all the sides of the baking dish. And now we need to bake this in a preheated oven at 20 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And after about 25 minutes, our zucchini crust pizza is ready. And now I'm going to add some toppings to it. Here goes some red, green and yellow bell peppers. Now if you want, you can add pizza sauce, but I am avoiding it as I am making a keto friendly zucchini pizza. Next, into this we will add some onion juliennes. Next, I'll be adding green and black sliced peated olives. And finally, into it goes lots of grated mozzarella and cheddar cheese. And we will season our zucchini crust pizza with some mixed herbs and some chili flakes. That's it. And now again we will bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes or until the cheese melts. And here comes our deliciously baked zucchini crust pizza, which looks so very amazing. And trust me, people who doesn't like zucchini will also love this recipe. I'll now cut a slice of it and show you all how it has turned out from inside. So you can see it's well baked golden brown with amazing flavors. So friends, I hope you'll try this delicious yet healthy zucchini crust pizza, which is gluten free as well as keto friendly and great to include in your weight loss diet. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and you can check out my other healthy, low carb, and keto friendly recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy cooking, everyone.